Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best lock rekeying kit is probably one of the most affordable and effective ways to boost your home or business security, allowing you to easily change your lock's key combinations without the cost and hassle of replacing the entire locking mechanism. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about choosing and using a lock rekeying kit, from understanding the different types of kits available to mastering the rekeying process itself. We'll cover essential tools, step-by-step instructions, and safety precautions to ensure a smooth and successful rekeying experience, ultimately empowering you to take control of your home's security. Number 5. Kwikset 83262 SmartKey Kit. This kit makes updating your home security quick and easy. It's perfect for renters, new homeowners, or anyone who needs to change their locks quickly. It's designed for simple installation, you'll have it set up in minutes. No special tools or expertise are needed. The kit comes with everything you need: 4 regular keys, 2 temporary keys, and an upgraded rekeying tool. It works seamlessly with all Kwikset SmartKey locks. It won't work with traditional locks, though. Rekey your lock in under 30 seconds. It's ideal for situations like lost keys or moving into a new home. Get the peace of mind that comes with easily updating your home security. It's a simple solution for a safer home. What we like. It boasts a quick and easy installation process, rekeying your lock in under 30 seconds. If you need a fast solution for lost keys or a move, this is perfect for you. This kit is ideal for anyone using Kwikset SmartKey locks and values speed and convenience. What people say. The Kwikset 83262-001 SmartKey Rekeying Kit is an absolute game changer. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and I was able to rekey all my locks in no time. The kit includes everything you need, and the quality of the tools is top-notch. One of the best features is that it allows you to use one key for multiple locks, which is incredibly convenient. The Kwikset 83262-001 SmartKey Rekeying Kit has made managing my home security so much easier. The SmartKey technology is compatible with Kwikset, KW1, keyways and is incredibly user-friendly. Plus, the added security of the patented side locking bar protects against lock bumping, which gives me peace of mind. It's a smart investment that saves time and boosts home security. The kit comes with the reset tool and several keys, which makes the process very easy. Once you have the tool, you could in theory rekey as many times as you want or need. You would just need a new key to use for the rekey each time you change. Number 4. Primeline E2402 Rekeying Kit. Tired of juggling multiple keys? This kit lets you rekey all your compatible locks to use just one key. It's the simple solution for streamlined access. Inside, you'll find 3 pre-cut keys, all the necessary pins and tools, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need for a successful rekeying project. This kit is designed for Schlage brand locks, specifically the C5-pin style and F-series lever locks. Make sure your locks are compatible before you begin. Rekeying your locks is easier than you think. Even if you're not a locksmith, you can complete this DIY project with our kit and instructions. Remember, you'll need your original lock key to start the rekeying process. This kit rekeys locks to the included keys, not to any other existing key. Take control of your home security with the Primeline E2402 Rekeying Kit. It's the convenient and affordable way to simplify your life. What we like. This kit comes with pre-cut keys, making rekeying a breeze. If you're looking for a simple solution to rekey your Schlage locks to a single key, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward, no-fuss rekeying experience. What people say. The instructions were so clear that I ended up rekeying it myself. Putting the pin and spring back in when I made a mistake was challenging, required me to clean my glasses, get a tweezers and a tiny screwdriver to push it in, but easy like butter once I got it in. There are enough pins to rekey 6 locks and the pins are color-coded to make it easier to use. The instructions were pretty good and there is a video to show you how to do the job. This kit was effective and made it very simple to rekey my home locks. Number 3. Kwikset Rekey Kit. This kit is a game changer for locksmiths and businesses alike. It's got everything you need to rekey Kwikset locks quickly and efficiently. It includes 200 of each master pin, bottom pin, and top pin, ensuring you have plenty for any job. The precision-crafted components guarantee a smooth, secure operation. This kit comes with all the tools you'll need, a plug follower, locking nut, tool knob, and more. Everything is designed for ease of use and professional results. Beyond the pins, it's packed with additional components like springs, clips, and caps. You'll find 200 CK balls, 50 pin covers, and more, ensuring you're fully stocked. Perfect for locksmiths, commercial properties, or any business needing reliable rekeying solutions. It's a comprehensive kit designed to handle a wide range of tasks. The kit comes in a custom plastic box for easy organization and transport. The high-quality materials ensure durability and long-lasting performance. What we like. It's a comprehensive, professional-grade kit with all the components you need. If you're a locksmith or manage commercial properties and need a high-quality, versatile solution, this kit is your best bet. Its extensive components ensure you're prepared for any rekeying task. What people say. Came quick when ordered. Learned how to rekey locks at former job and was very pleased to see that I could get a kit for my personal use. The kit is invaluable. Accurate depth. Has served as adequate resupply of other smaller kits. First off, this has plenty of pins and in addition, also plenty of most of the easy to damage or lose parts on a Kwikset lock. All of these seem to be of excellent quality and of the dozen or so of the pins that I measured they seem to be precisely machined. This part of the kit is excellent. Number 2. Schlage Rekey Kit. This kit has everything you need to rekey your Schlage locks. It's easy to use and comes with all the necessary components for a smooth rekeying process. The kit includes all the pins, springs, and tools you'll need. No need to buy anything extra, making the job simple and efficient. It's designed for easy restocking. Individual components are available separately, so you can replace only what you need. It features 50 precision-crafted bottom pins, 50 master pins, 50 top pins, and 50 springs. These ensure a secure and reliable lock every time. It's perfect for various settings, from commercial properties to retail spaces. It provides a robust security solution for any business. We stand behind our product's quality and durability. Our customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. This modular kit allows for easy replenishment of components as needed. If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting solution for rekeying Schlage locks, this is a great choice. The ability to easily replace components makes it a cost-effective and sustainable option. What people say. The kit is largely meant for rekeying existing working locks, but there are enough extra parts you can perform repairs if necessary. For example, you can replace driver springs or retaining pins that get lost or damaged in the rekeying process. The aluminum follower was great and the color-keyed pins help keep things straight. The set also includes parts to build higher security locks. Purchase to rekey Schlage locks on all the exterior doors of the home. The kit came with enough pins to rekey 4 doors no problem and could probably do even more. The color-coded pins also made it easy and fast to repeat the pattern on each of the cylinders. Number 1. Schlage Color 40-132 Rekeying Kit. This kit provides exceptional value and is incredibly easy to install. It's built to last, ensuring years of reliable performance. It's made with high-quality materials for long-lasting use. You can trust it to stand up to daily wear and tear. The simple design makes installation a breeze. Anyone can easily add this to their door. It comes in a protective metal box to keep it safe during shipping and storage. This ensures it arrives in perfect condition. It's manufactured to high standards in China. You're getting a reliable product built to last. This is the Schlage Color 40-132 Rekeying Kit. Remember this model number for easy ordering and identification. What we like. It's highly durable and user-friendly, offering great value for your money. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable and easy-to-use kit, this is a smart choice. Its simple design and robust construction make it a practical option for various needs. What people say. The kit is well stocked, organized and very professional. It does not take long to start using it, and there are many online videos that are helpful. The kit contains what appears to be at least 100 of each of the 5 pins used on Schlage locks, plus several dozen of the other spare parts needed to rebuild said lock, plus the tools. Most importantly of all, when you shut this case, the pins are all trapped in their individual wells and can't get mixed up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.